Good medical morning. Today we're going to talk about hemangiomas. And stick around because I'll tell you more about this photo in a moment. A hemangioma may be present at birth, but more often appears during the first several months of life.
Victoria has a hemangioma on her head. So it's right, it's this red thing right over here. When Victoria was very little, I'd say maybe days old, actually when she was first born, it actually almost looked like a bruise, and that's what we actually thought it was.
It starts as a flat red mark anywhere on the body, most often on the face, scalp, chest, or back. Usually a child has only one mark. Some children may have more than one, particularly if they're part of a multiple birth. During your child's first year, the red mark grows rapidly into a spongy, rubbery-looking bump that sticks out from the skin. The hemangioma then enters a rest phase, and eventually it begins to slowly disappear.
So you guys can kind of see it here. So that's what it looks like, but like I said, it is shrinking down. Like we noticed that it's shrinking down, so we're extremely happy about that.
Many hemangiomas disappear by age 5, and most are gone by age 10. The skin may be slightly discolored or raised after the hemangioma goes away. Your child's doctor will monitor the hemangioma during routine checkups. Contact your child's doctor if the hemangioma bleeds, forms a sore, or looks infected. Seek medical care if the condition interferes with your child's vision, breathing, hearing, or elimination. Now back to the original image. This child is completely healthy and the marks will slowly fade in due time. So click like for this beautiful child.
Hi, my name is Jory and I'm here to give a testimonial about Restmore. The thing I love most about Restmore is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Restmores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Restmore has really helped me since then because without Restmore, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Restmore, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Restmore.